Hi folks, let's draw a football. You make a line like that. You make another curved line like that. You make kind of an elliptical oval in the center of the page. And you make the laces over here, kind of a curvy rectangle. Go like that. That's what I'm doing anyways. Go like that. Like this. Make a halfway mark sort of line every other little space there or so. Make the guy's eye. Make the football man's nose coming down. Make his other eye. His eye kind of socket brow thing there. Pupil. His other pupil. Kind of give the nose some detail, some roundness. Make him have a smiley face, like so. Big open mouth, smiley face. Go like that, like this. Fix that line a little bit. Give him bottom teeth, top teeth. Give him a tongue. He's excited to play football. Make some of the lines of the football coming down like so. Kinda. His mouth is kind of getting in the way of those wrinkles, so or the lines of the football. So it makes it look kind of broken, those lines. Just a little strip on the tip of the football ends. Sort of make his face look more like a face if we can. Give him two thumbs up hands here. This is closed fist. Making a thumbs up, obviously. Fix that finger. It's football season, y'all. Just about. Close enough. Eagles. Give him another thumbs up hand. He's very ready to play a game of football. A little line for the show the divot in his palms. Make the line of the football a little more bold.